This is our first open day where we feature some sales cars, and if you're interested to buy, you can come and have a look at what's on offer, or if you're just a petrol head and want to have a chat with other like-minded Aston owners, you can just drop in for a coffee and a chat. No, looking to buy, just come up, heard about the day and thought too good an opportunity to miss. It's a special feeling. I've thought about 911s in the past, and I want to buy something that is going to be mine forever almost. So it has to have that special feeling.
Had it for a year. It's a DB9 glass key version, as I call them. It's got fairly high mileage, but it's very well serviced all its life. Mike at Bamfordrose, he's looked after it for me for the last year at least. Points and plugs done recently. Yeah, it's a lovely car, very reluctant sale. Every time you drive it, it's great. I mean, I've come from Bristol today, so coming up the Foss Way, it's a lovely road early in the morning, nice and clear. You know, it's when you can kind of stretch the legs of a car like this. So.
And as I said, this has been on the bucket list for such a long period of time. So for me to be able to kind of finally tick this off is almost like a boyhood dream to kind of acquire and utilise. And these things are a good investment. They're only going up, and they still personally look a damn sight better than the Merc-infused ones. But don't tell anyone that, just in case they're here.
Right, so I recently purchased an Aston V8 Vantage 4.7. The most exhilarating experience is when you start it up in the morning. Oh, that sound is just awesome. And the attraction that you get with it as well. I've had a few nice cars, but these people actually come over and just so interested in the car.
It's a 2010 Rapide in Quantum Silver, and it's also in Sandstorm interior. It's got the additional rear screens and the ventilated seats as options. Had the car about 4 months, picked it up from the Cambridge region, and I absolutely love it. It's my first Aston, and having the 4 doors gives us some practicality going forward. So yeah, no, I absolutely love the car.
We're going to be staging a few of these across the year, and we look forward to seeing you on our next one.